Hey guys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the new 23 Zero Kitchen Sling or Kitchen Tidy. It comes in a pack of two. We have this one here and we've got that one over there. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a good look around at it, check it all out, and we'll go from there. All right, here we go. The main reason I bought the sling here was it just organises my utensils and all my plates and all the rest of it nice and handy, because we're at camp for a few days. I'm not opening and closing all the doors all the time. I've got my plates, I've got my bowls, I've got my cups, my drinking cups, phone holder. Well, it's not really a phone holder, but that's where I put it. And down the bottom here, it has like a pocket here, and we just unzip that, and it just keeps my spices and things like that in there, nice and handy, easy to get to. Has a towel rail down the bottom for your tea towel, which is nice and handy, and a little towel rail at the top here. Now it just fits in the sail track. Now with this though, it doesn't pack up very well, but you can pack up most of your stuff in. I just take my plates and my bowls out, roll it up, and it's just super easy, organised at camp. You've got really good access to all your cutlery and plates and things. And then over at the other one, which does roll up really well, and that's this one over here. Now it just hooks over the top, has two Velcro straps, also has a sail track there if you wanted to put it in a different position. And that just has my cutlery in my, you know, spoons, pizza cutter and all the rest of it. And if I'm cooking here at the kitchen, I pop that up and I can just reach over and grab whatever I need. And I found it just a great little product for me. As I said, this one does roll up, so you can put all your normal utensils in that. It just rolls up a treat. It's made of ripstop canvas, I would think it is. And it just sits there. It's just a fantastic item to use. So that is my two Kitchen Tidy slings. Hope you've liked the video. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.